Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how do you check if your favorite gig is ranked or it's appearing on your search engine when you search for it. So let's get into the video. Um, so log into your Fiverr account. So once I've logged into your Fiverr account, so what you have to do is like search for your SEO keywords like the a low competition keyword or something that's relevant to your gig that you're looking for. So use those type of keywords. So whatever that's relevant to you. Like for example, mine is I just created one for research. So I'm just using that. That's my keyword. So what I'm going to do here is use that and then gotta click on search. Okay. So when you click on search here, so I can see there's 92 services available. So there are 92 results. So I'm going to look for where's mine. So I'm going to check for mine. Mine is okay. So unfortunately, it's on not on the first page. So try on the next page. Okay. All right. Oh, there you go. So that's mine. So here, so that's mine. So mine is ranked 18th. So that's the 18th one. All right. You can just come from the page. So that's 18th. Yep. So it's on the 18th. It's on the second page, and it's ranked number 18. My gig. So that's based on this keyword here. So if you want, you can also change the keywords and see if you can change the keyword and use a better keywords and see whether it makes any difference or if you can see any improvements on the search results or on your ranking. So a general advice is that just make sure just try and make sure that your gig appears only on either on the first three pages like as only on the first either on the first second or the third pages because mostly like people won't be like checking more than three pages like in general like mostly as we all know we only check where like clients only check a couple of pages so it will be better that if your gig appears on the first few pages of the search results. So see, so you can just play around and see what ranking your gig works best for you, and see, and also try if you can make it improve if it's not on the desired page, then try to work on it to bring it a bit further on the search engine or the page. So hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I will see you guys in a new video soon. Thank you.